Here's a 2018 Audi Q5. This is a luxury crossover with incredible beauty and technology inside and out. 2018 marks the first year of a redesign with new styling and additional tech features. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, refrigerated box located in the glove box, heated steering wheel, auto-dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and heated leather bucket seats. Edmunds.com notes it's easy to see why the Q5 has such a broad appeal, being a favorite pick for active singletons and small families alike. It looks sharp, drives smoothly, and handles twists and turns with ease. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.